Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the coolest school gadgets that you honestly need this school year. Click this button right here and turn notifications on in order for me to send you a full pizza to your door, but I can't ring your bell unless you ring my bell, so be sure that you ring my bell. 5, 3, 2, 1. And if you click it, let me know down below which of these items is your favorite, and I'll actually be sending one of them your way so that you can also try them out along with me. Wait, be sure to stick to the very end of this video because I'm currently doing a massive back to school giveaway that you don't want to miss. All the details on how to enter and win all these amazing prizes, be sure to stick to the very end. I just want to give a huge shout out to Jennifer for being a part of the family. Thank you so much. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is be sure that you comment hashtag #NattyVacationSquad. If you're here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live, I might pick one of you, so make sure you're here early. And stick to the very end to not miss the huge back to school giveaway that I currently have going on. Let's do this. If you've ever been a fan of sticky notes, wait till you see these. Now this cool school gadget is guaranteed to lay flat and actually has more stick than typical sticky notes. Don't believe me? Well, today we're going to be putting them to the test with a vacuum. Yep, you heard right. A vacuum to see if these bad boys really stand the test of not blowing away. So if these really do work, they will be a back to school necessity for any student, whether you're in elementary, middle, high school, or even college. So here is our super powerful Dyson vacuum, which has an intense suction power. So for round 1, at the lowest suction power level. Pass. Level 2. As for level 2, these sticky notes were not feeling defeated yet, except my hair did get caught in the middle of it all. Anyways, and now for the final test, level 3. Comment below if you think it will pass or fail the test. And ladies and gentlemen, it passed the test. And just to compare a normal sticky note to this new cool one, yep, it doesn't even compare. How many of you struggle with waking up for school on time? Give this video a thumbs up. I know I did. Well, this simple school gadget is bound to change everything. Now introducing the Shake and Wake wearable alarm clock. That's right, you can comfortably wear this at night on your wrist and set the right wake up time you need. Then when it's time to wake up, it will vibrate and calmly wake you up. Now I personally prefer this a lot more instead of being woken up by a loud alarm clock, which usually just leaves me in a state of panic, and personally, I just don't think it's the healthiest way to be woken up with. The good thing about this alarm clock is you can set it to vibrate or to ring, whichever fits your need more, and I will assure you this easy school hack will help you never be late to school again. Have you ever been super stressed out for a final exam? I know I have. Oh my god, I can't believe this final exam counts for 50% of our grade. I'm so stressed. If you get the nervous jitters when taking an exam, not to worry, here is a stress relieving school gadget. Now this little stress peas are the cutest. They're meant to be squeezed, kind of like slime, and when you do, you'll notice a cute smiley pea looking right at you. With its unique textures, its addictive tendencies will help you relieve your anxiety. Now before class, be sure to ask your teacher for permission before using this little guy. I have 3 of these to give to you guys, so comment below smiley peas if you want one. Just had a tasty school lunch, perhaps something with garlic or onions, you might feel a little embarrassed to speak up in class. Now if your breath is kicking, fear not, this little gadget will come in handy. These are my current go-to toothbrushes. As you can see, they're super small and are meant to be used without any water, meaning you can literally slip one out right before class or prep your breath in the hallway before arriving at your crush's site. So they also have a little pointy edge, perfect for removing any last minute gunk. No more stinky breath for you, just a mouthful of confidence. If it's super hot in your class or you happen to be the unlucky student to get PE early in the morning, trust me, I know what that's like. If you're burning up and need a little cooling solution, I got you. This cool back to school gadget is super cute and can fit in your backpack. Not only is this a portable fan, but you can easily connect this to your laptop or to a portable charger. Then all you have to do is pull the switch and bam, cool, amazing air coming your way. If you're in a state with a hot climate like I was in Florida, you're gonna love this little gadget. It's gonna make you do whimsical dances like me right here. Not only will you stay cool throughout the hot summer days, but you'll also have something fun worth sharing with your classmates. Alright, meet Quirky the Stapler. How cute is that name? Now it's a fun school supply with a detachable base. Yep, this is going to be your go-to stapler if you have a stack of papers to staple together or if you want to create a cute little DIY notebook like the one I'm about to show you. Now for this DIY school supply, all you have to do is print out some cute designs and place them on opposite sides of the paper. We're going to be creating a DIY miniature school supply notebook. Then just fold your papers in half like so, and we're going to be using our Quirky stapler to bind the notebook together. Attaching the base and using the stapler alone will create a cleaner book bind, and it's super simple to use. How cute does that look? And now voila, your mini notebook is all set for you to use. If you saw my last video, you can see these super cute little school supplies and how you can win them. I added a calligraphy page because since my last how-to calligraphy and hand lettering video for beginners, I'm still trying to learn easy ways to change up my writing style. So if you're interested in that video, I'll link it down below. I also added a little calendar to help you be productive after school and know how to stay on track. And speaking of productivity, if you want some amazing study tips and how to get better grades, check out this video that will be linked down below. I also decided to unleash the artist in me by drawing Angry Bird. I started by placing it in the back of my paper to trace it, and then I went in with Sharpie and markers to color it in. What do you guys think? This school gadget are for my girls or boys who want to stay hydrated. Now originally this is a vitamin water bottle used to store your vitamins to remind you what to take throughout the week. I decided however to use it to store the little things like earrings. Now I remember being in PE class and taking off my jewelry, not having anywhere to store it. I usually stuffed it in my backpack. It would either get lost because it was too small or it'd get all tangled. So I figured this is the perfect school gadget to use for PE class or if you're in a school sport. Just remove your earrings or rings and store them safely away. Then you can retrieve them, and the best part is it'll remind you to stay hydrated. You guys prepare to be amazed. This school gadget is a roll-on post-it. Say what? I am such a stationery and organizational geek that when I saw this, my eyes bloomed of happiness. Now this little school gadget is a full adhesive roll, acts like sticky notes, except it serves more than just one purpose. You can either use it as a note or you can use it to be a label machine. Now this is a great way to stay organized if you're a student or a teacher. It's super simple to label your school supplies or in our case, random things like cactuses.
Ow, my unibrow.
Now, Dennis and I were having a little bit too much fun with this, and if you see this and you see what he wrote, comment below Natalie over 5-minute crafts. Alright, this cool school gadget may look familiar to you from my past how to sneak food into class video, and while this may look like a hairbrush, no, look again, it's actually a little hideout to stash candy, makeup, food, or in this case, money. Now this is perfect for the students that constantly gets asked to borrow money from. Now thumbs up if that's you. For some reason, I was always that classmate that was too nice and gave people my cash, and I would never get it back because I was too shy and polite to ask for it back, so that way you'll never run into this awkward school situations again. You can now just casually stash your money in your comb, brush your hair, and no one will suspect you have a dime on you. Now this is also a good idea if you're leaving your stuff behind in a sketchy place and don't feel comfortable. I mean, come on, who is going to steal an old used hairbrush? Not me. So save your money and time by getting one of these. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment below which of these gadgets you want so that I can send it over your way. The huge back to school giveaway. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm giving you guys so many goodies. You can check them all out right here in this video. It's super simple. All you have to do is be sure that you're part of the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on that little bell. Number 2, all you have to do is go to this picture right over here. Be sure to comment on this picture what your dream job is and what grade you are going into. I'll be picking 6 lucky subscribers from those comments, so be sure that you comment on this picture many times as you want, and the giveaway ends right here. I will be announcing it on this channel. And if you'd like for me to follow you on Instagram or on Twitter, all you have to do is take this picture right here and repost it on your socials with the hashtag Natalies School Giveaway. And that's it. I want to wish you guys an amazing day. Best of luck with everything. Let me know what other types of videos you guys want to see. I'm super excited. Lots of awesome giveaways on MacBook. Stay tuned for that. Always, I want to wish you guys an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!